Greetings everyone. I am Kanika, mother of Earth Khator,
Working?
who is currently studying in Junior 2
Working?
at Hope Qatar.
It's not
Today,
working.
I am here
Yes.
to share
Yes.
Earth's remarkable
just turned
journey
it on.
at Hope Qatar over 2 years. 2 years ago,
Yes,
we
it's okay.
shifted from Singapore to Qatar. And we were in search of a special needs school for Earth, where he can get a normal school exposure, such as wearing school uniform, attending morning assemblies, academic and co-curricular activities, art and crafts, annual day, sports day celebration, etc. We had no clue where to go, as we had no contacts at all in this new country. We visited multiple schools and centers, but none of them fulfilled our expectations. Soon we came across Hope Qatar, which we found to be exactly similar to what we want for our child. So, in September 2023, Earth began his journey in Hope Qatar. Earth showed slowly steady growth and improvement during these 2 years. He improved academically and still improving in other subjects and activities. Thanks to his special educator, Ms. Mukami, for keeping in touch with me regarding Earth's updates, which helped us a lot in Earth educational development. Earth also showed improvement in communication skills, behavior skills, as well as occupational skills. Therapists are still working hard on many issues and challenges faced by Earth, and slowly, with joint efforts, we hope to overcome those too. Thanks to Ms. Aya for handling speech therapy session, Ms. Owen for handling Earth behavior issues, and Mr. Rizwan for handling Earth sensory needs. After joining Hope Qatar, Earth improved in functional skills too. I can see that improvement at home too while helping me in daily tasks. He learned how to make cookies, sandwich, and juice in a blender. He also learned cleaning tasks, ironing, gardening, etc. Earth also prepared banana shake independently for himself and his elder sister daily after school. Hope Qatar provided a stage to Earth and allowed him to showcase his talent in singing last year as well as this year in Annual Day. Last year Annual Day was a huge hit, and I received multiple responses from parents regarding Earth's performance. Sports is another field which I wanted to highlight in Earth's journey. He started playing a great basketball with full focus and attention. Every Saturday, he looks forward for his basketball session in Afsaj Academy under Ability Friendly program. Thanks to Hope Qatar for developing his interest in kitchen work, which is really important to learn, and developing sports skills too. I'm also thankful to Hope Qatar for giving singing opportunity, which developed his confidence to perform on stage independently. Last but not the least, my sincere thanks to Dr. Rajiv Thomas for maturely handling all the issues which we were facing regarding Earth in last 2 years. He personally looked into the matters when we as parents found anything not as per our expectations. Looking forward to have another wonderful year with Hope Qatar for Earth. God bless them all. Thank you and have a nice evening.